Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sirko, and today I will be showing you a screener or overall how to find stocks that are in a uptrend and basically how you can basically find potential buys. You feel me? Stocks that are in an uptrend. So, if you're interested in that, it's a pretty easy one. The video will be short as hell, and throughout the video I will be explaining you what am I feeling, so you can have a decent understanding like at the end of the video, so you can basically know how to do that. And guys, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, you want to go on Fivis.com. I think that a lot of you guys already know what Fivis.com is, but for those of you who do not know, just go on, click on that, and just click on screener here. And we're going to be clicking on all, and I'm just going to be giving you the kind of the filters that I have a lot of most of the times that have been giving me a beautiful results. So the first thing that we're going to be looking for is the industry. So of course I will be only looking for stocks, and for it to be like optionable. You feel me? And then the next thing that I really want to kind of click on will be the 20-day simple moving average, the 50-day, and the 200-day simple moving average. Also, we're going to be filling the relative volume, the average volume, of course, with some of these. Let me just kind of find this, you guys. So it's not okay. Here we don't see that. So we are also going to be clicking on the option short, option/short, and so on and so on. So the first thing that like when we filled is the industry. Then we want stocks to be optionable or to be tradable. Okay, so right here we go on and click on optionable, and this will cut the number dramatically. Okay, from 5,200 or 300 or something like that till right around 4,175 stocks on the list. So after that, and we'll be looking at the R vol, the relative volume. That was the what does the R vol mean? So basically, it kind of shows you. You can basically just go over it with the mouse, and it tells you that the ratio between the current volume and the 3-month average in intraday adjusted. So what we want to do is for it to be over 1.5 or over 1, just over 1. We don't want it to be over, like below under 1 or like below point 1.5 or so on and so on. We want the stock to be in a to be 1.5 times that like its relative volume. You feel me? Its volume that day. So we want it to be over 1.5. As you see, we're left with 2,679 stocks. Then we're going to be filling the average volume, or uh, the average number of shares traded in a stock per day. So what do we want to fill up right here? Will be I a lot of the times I just go with over 5, or like from over 200 to over 500. I sometimes go with over 1 million. Like it depends how I feel that day. But here we're going to be clicking on over let's just say 200. Okay, we're going to be left with 2,000 stocks that day. I mean, I want the stocks to be liquid and quite volatile, like when I'm trading them. So I will kind of go with over 500k, to be honest. Okay, so as you see right now, we're left with 1,329 stocks. Then the thing that we're going to be filling right now will be the 200-day simple moving average, the 50-day simple moving average, and the 20-day simple moving average. A pretty simple thing. Okay, what does the 200-day simple moving average mean? It basically tells you, it shows you the average price of the last 200 trading days, closing days. You feel me? So if the price is above the last 200-day simple moving average, above it, that means that we're in an uptrend, and in the last like 200 days, the price has been moving in an uptrend. If we are below that, in it, like vice versa, we are in a downtrend. And the same thing with the 50-day simple moving average, except this is the last 50 days and this in the last 20 days. Okay, so we now for all of this to be all the price to be above them. Okay, so what are we going to be feeling right here is the price to be above the SMA 20, the 50-day simple moving average, the price to be above the SMA 50, and here the price to be above the SMA 20. So as you see, we are left with this right now. We are all left with 329 stocks. If you want to like really like capitalize, you can go on price. And I always kind of trade stocks that are over $5 or under $10. So you can basically go and do customs. You can basically go with like 10 to 20, 10 to 15, or stuff like that. So I always go with like 10 to 50 or stuff like that. You feel me? So as you see right now, we're going to be left with a kind of 452 stocks that are in an uptrend, and you could basically potentially place a buy on them. So that's about it for today's video. Let me know what are your thoughts. This does look right here. This thing right here looks promising. Okay, we did manage to kind of go above this high. Right now we're kind of retesting, and I think that we're about to break through the structure. You can basically go long about it on the $22 mark. I'm not financial advisor or something like that, so this is not a financial advice. You can basically go take a screenshot of all of this, and that's about it for today. So peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.